Hey, adventurers and tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers, your go-to channel for embracing tech in the great outdoors. If you're fascinated by the bird's-eye view that drones provide and are thinking about taking to the skies, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the essentials of drone flying for recreational purposes. So strap in and let's get ready to soar responsibly. Understanding drone regulations. Before your drone leaves the ground, it's crucial to understand the regulations set by the FAA or the Federal Aviation Administration. Why? Because safe skies mean fun flies. For starters, you'll need to register your drone if it weighs more than 0.55 pound. Head over to the FAA's Drone Zone website to get that sorted. Register at FAA Drone Zone of 0.55 pound. Where to fly? Knowing where you can and cannot fly is just as important. National parks, airports, and crowded areas, they're a no-fly zone. But don't worry, there's an app for that. Apps like AirAware or LAANC will be your best friends in identifying safe and legal airspace for your adventures. Safety first. Now let's talk safety. Always keep your drone within your line of sight and avoid flying above 400 feet to steer clear of manned aircraft. And remember, respect others' privacy. No peeping Toms here, folks. If you're new to the drone world, practice makes perfect. Start in an open area to get a feel for the controls. And there's more! The FAA offers a recreational UAS safety test, or TRUST, which you'll need to pass. It's straightforward and free, and it ensures you know the do's and don'ts of drone flying. The world of drones is always evolving, and staying informed is key. For all the latest regulations and tips, bookmark the FAA website and join drone enthusiast communities online. Knowledge is power, especially in the skies. That's a wrap on our beginner's guide to drone flying. Remember, the sky's the limit, but only if we fly responsibly. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers for more tech adventures. Safe flying, and see you in the next video. Subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers for more. Stay safe, embrace the outdoors, and keep on yakking.